Hello, friends. Very well, welcome to all of you once again in this your new semester. Today, I will going to talk with you on new topic, new class. I will going to talk with you class TYVCS and subject name is that computer network part. First, we know that this is the too much rapid time in this from last 3 centuries. We are too much familiar with the technology, and when technology is arise, there is no option without computer. So today we have to discuss about computer network subject. uh, Before starting my actual lecture, I want to told you that there are 6 number of chapters in your syllabus. First one is that introduction to computer network, second one is the network model, third one is the transmission media, fourth one is the physical layer, fifth one is the data link layer, and sixth one is the medium access layer. Today in this small scale video we only going to discuss about introduction to computer networks. The main objective of computer networking is that computer communication fields have been merged together, and their merge has to had a deep impact on the manner in which computer system are organized. A network is interconnection of a set of computing devices that are capable to communicate with each other. Computer network is nothing but the set or collection of computing devices that are linked to each other in order to communicate and share the resources with each other. So exactly, computer network can be defined as an interconnected collection of autonomous computers, and computing devices are called as computer network. This is used in system which is used in telephones, visual display, telecommunication equipment, cables. Here the few examples of computer network are given: wired networks or wireless network. There are the basic two types of network. In wired network there is a few physical media, while in a wireless network there is no physical media. Instead of that, there is a waves, rays are used. So lot of applications of computer network. First one is that to share the resources such as printer, and there is a sharing expensive softwares, database communication from one computer to another. Suppose we have 4 to 5 number of computers, there is no need to take 4 or 5 printers there. If we have only one printer, we can share it by using the concept of networking. We can using networking, there is exchanging of data information among the users via network, sharing of information over geographical wide areas. For that purpose, there are few components are used. 2 or more computers cables are linked between the computers. For that, there is a NIC, network interfacing card, on each computer switches. Software called as there is a operating system. There are few benefits of computer network. First one is that it increases the speed, it reduces the cost, it improves the security, it centralizes the software management. Using it we can mail, and important one is that flexible access. Those have benefits, same way behind it there is disadvantages also. First disadvantage is that there is high cost of installation. It requires much time for administration. When server going to fail, whole network going to lap. Sometime fault in cable, it is also effect on networking. And there are few major goals of networking. First one is that to share the resources, as before I have told you that the example of printer, same way. Then high reliability due to alternative sources of data. First, third one is that there is cost, and last one is that improvement in the communication system. These are the basic goals of computer network. There are few services which are provided by computer network. First one is that access to remote information, in home shopping, internet banking, paying the telephone bills, electricity bills, then person to person communication, like there is email or real time mails or video conferencing. Now lot of apps there, Google Meet, Zoom app, and much more. This is only happen because of the computer network. Then the interactive entertainment, multi-person real-time simulation, game video on demand. These are the uses. The next point is that types of transmission technology. Today only we see these two last points, and then we will over broadcast network. All machines on the network are used to share the single communication channel that is shared or used all machine on network called as broadcast network. The best example of a broadcast network is that our TV channels, suppose on 7 p.m. in one home there is news, then that time same way all homes there will be news. It is the broadcast. And next one is that second type, that is the point to point network. There exists any connection between individual pair of machine to go from source to destination, that is called as point to point network. I hope that you have understand these are the basic concepts of networking. Thank you so much.